Hey everyone, welcome to Beginner Bits. In this video, we are going to learn a very important topic of Python, sets. So let's get started. First, let's create our Python file. So what is a set? Let's take an example first. So this is our number set. The variable name is numbers and these are the items. Now if you recall, we used these curly brackets in our dictionary too. But what is the difference? In dictionary we have key value pairs. Let's see. In dictionary we have these keys and the values. Okay, we have keys and values. But in sets we have the items only. Okay, so this is the difference between dictionary and sets. Okay, now if we print this, there you go, we have this set. So why do we use sets instead of list, dictionary or tuple? Of course there's a difference, and the difference is in sets we can't use an item multiple times. It means there can be no duplicate items. So if we have a list where there are no duplicate items, we use sets. Okay, now let's take another example. Now we have this fruit set, and inside this set we have apple, banana, cherry and apple. We have this apple multiple times. So what happens now if we run this? Let's see. You see we have banana, apple and cherry. So even though we have apple two times, when we run this we get only one apple. You see? So in sets we don't have any duplicate items. Okay, now let's see if this is really a set. Let's check its type of fruits. There you go, we have the set first and class set. Okay, so this is a set. Now let's say I want to add a new item in our set. How can we do that? Let's see. We use this add function. Okay, let's add grape. Let's print there you go, grape, apple, cherry, banana. I hope you have already noticed the items here are not printed as it is. The items are not ordered. So you have guessed it right, the set is an unordered thing. Okay, now let's say I want to remove any item. For that we use remove function. Let's say we want to remove cherry. Okay, let's see. There you go, cherry has been removed. Okay, now there are some methods in sets. Two of them are most important. Let's see. First, let's take two sets. Okay, so the first method is union. Let's see how it works. Let's name it so what is this union? First let's see how we write it. So this is our first set and this is our second set, and we used this union function. Okay, so what is this union? Let's understand with example. we have these two sets, right? If we use this union function, we are going to take all these items from set 1 and set 2 and store them here. So this means we have all the items from set 1 and set 2 stored in our all fruits. But there's a catch, and the catch is simple: there should be no duplicate items. Okay. Now if we print this, let's see what happens. There you go, we have this orange, apple, cherry, grape, mango, banana, all 6 of them right here. But let's say we have an item, let's say apple. Now if we print this, this gives us the same result. Why? Because in set there should be no duplicate items. So even though we have this apple 2 times, the output gives us only 1. Okay. Now let's move to our second method. Don't worry about these variable names, you can use anything here, A, B, C, D, anything. Now the second method is interaction function. So what this interaction does is it takes only the common items. So we have this apple here in our set 1, and in set 2 we have this apple. So the output should be apple. Let's see. There you go, we have this apple only. Let's add another item here, let's say mango. Now if we run this, we should get apple and mango, right? Let's see. There you go, we have this mango and apple. Okay. Now let's say I want to create an empty set. How can we do that? Let's see. Let's say A equal to this. So is this an empty set? If you said yes, you're wrong. Let's see why. Now if we check the type of this function, what will happen? Let's see. You see, we got this dictionary class. So how can we write an empty set? For that we use any variable, let's say b equals to set. This is how. Now let's check its type. There you go, we have this class set. Okay, so this is how we write an empty set. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.